So today we have a portable nail filer. It has up to 30,000 adjustment speed, RPM. It's wireless and has up to 6 hours worth of batteries, and has a quiet operation and easy to carry around. So this is the drill itself. Here's the on and off button, and here's the increase in speed and the decrease in speed. As you can see, it's on lock, so we just have to do this, and then you can easily take this one out and add a different one. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add the sharp one here. We're gonna go ahead and use that one. So you lock it in and turn it on, of course. So as you can see, it's 100%, so we're just gonna start putting it on. So now it's on the first level, and here it displays the levels, so you can increase it. So I'm gonna put on level 5. It's perfect if you want to put some gels on, some acrylics, to kind of roughen up the nail so that you get a smoother apply. Sharpens up the edges quite well, and does remove hard to come off nail polish.